Hi everyone, in this video I will be showing you how to verify Facebook page. So first you just have to launch your Facebook and then tap your profile, and then here what you're going to do is just simply scroll down till you see this help and support. Tap this one, and then what you're going to do next is to click this help center, and then you will see this search bar right here, like a search menu. And what you're going to do is to search for request a blue verification badge. And then you should see some options below that is related to getting a blue badge here on your TikTok. So what you're going to do once you tap this request a blue or verified badge on Facebook, all you have to do here is to scroll down, and then you will see the information. You can read the following here. You can read this information if you want, or you can just simply or directly scroll down and you will see this fill out this form. So what you're going to do is to tap this one. So this is to verify your profile. So once you tap this, and then they will ask you some questions like, what are you verifying? So you have to click page and the name of your page here, document type, and all you have to do is just simply provide them the details that they need or they want. For example, if they ask for your driver's license ID, then you can simply choose file and then upload it. Category, country, region. You can also add the audience here, but actually this one is optional, or also known as, but these are both optional. So you can skip out this. And then here you can add up to 5 articles, social media accounts, for example, your Instagram, your Twitter, or if you have a WordPress, something like that. And what you're going to do is just simply submit this or send and then wait for their customer service team to respond you with this matter. And after that, you just have to wait till they verify your Facebook page. As easy as that. So if you have found this video helpful or if you want to suggest something, please do comment down below and please do like and subscribe to our channel. See you again in our next video tutorials.